Hey everyone, welcome back to OG Prompts. Today I'm showing you the top 10 trending fashion prompts that make your photos look like a high-end photo shoot. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Classic beige look. This one's pure class neutral tones, perfect sunlight, and that stylish blazer touch gives perfect gentleman vibes. Number 2. Urban rooftop fit. Sporty, chill, and effortless hoodie, bomber and sneakers combo. Perfect for those rooftop city shots. Number 3. Minimal street walk. This prompt nails that clean streetwear aesthetic, muted tones, sunlight play, and a confident walk. Number 4. Moody coffee shot. Low light, calm expression, coffee in hand. This shot has that film noir masculine vibe. Number 5. Golden light portrait. Warm tones and natural light hitting perfectly. This prompt captures that dreamy golden hour emotion. Number 6. Summer linen mood. This is effortless beach day fashion, easy linen fit, natural light, and total chill energy. Number 7. Denim garage vibe. Raw, bold, and classic denim jacket in moody lighting, perfect for an edgy IG post. Number 8. Cozy studio fit. Simple and confident, soft black fleece, clean pose, and that casual attitude makes this prompt a win. Number 9. Alpha aura portrait. A powerful concept image lion behind, calm face ahead, pure confidence energy. This one's going viral. Number 10. Studio class shot. Clean and balanced, perfect lighting, minimal setup, and that premium studio look for profiles or catalogs. Alright, before we wrap up, here's how you can try all these prompts yourself, totally free. First, go to ogprompts.netlify.app. Type the prompt number you liked and tap on the image. Then skip the add tab and just copy the prompt text. Next, open marina.ai. This is where we'll generate the image. On the top, choose direct chat, then tap the image icon near the prompt box. From the model list above, select Seedream 4K. Finally, paste the prompt you copied, and boom, your image is ready. You can even use the same prompt in Google Gemini for similar results. Like, share, and subscribe for the next drop of trending prompts. See you soon.